Hello, 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 hello. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back, tell a friend. It's time to do some meme game. Ooh, boy. Are you as excited as I am? 'Cause I'm pretty darn excited right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm very, very... Yo! Help! Whoa! Why do you need help? Normally it's a... Yo! This is so off-brand. Oh my god. Right. I'm alive. Whoa. Oh, that's Stream Elements. Wait, I programmed that. Hey, SCP. Nice to see you again. Oh. I thought like something had happened to you. 4 people watching already. Oh my god, I know. I'm so popular. Okay, now I actually am back to my high energy self. As opposed to my behind the scenes live streams, which are just me kind of just sitting, looking at a computer like, hello Gustav, hello Uvu. Long time no see, because you don't join me for my behind the scenes live streams. If you don't know already, my behind the scenes live stream is just Rethan behind the scenes. Go and check it, yo. Check that shit, bruv. I only have 9 subscribers. Egg. Ah la la la. Egg. My timers aren't working, I just realized. Make that tea. Lolo tea. I'm happy because there's little left for this jewel to come out. What? Is that a metaphor? Alright, so today we're gonna be stealing the YouTube description hashtag system. Yep, and putting it into my meme game. Jeffrey Animations, hello. I'd love to see your animations one day. Jam Sharp, hey, we got the whole squad. Wow. Look at all shorts comments. Why, what is it about my shorts comments? Fine, we'll check them out, let's see. Let's see what all the hype is about. Whoa, 6 notifications? Oh, that's my second channel. Okay, now we're on my first channel. Oh, I've got no notifications. That's a shame. Oh, look, the YouTube stream element bot decides to... Yeah, I have a first channel, I have a second channel, I have a Rethan behind the scenes, which is when I just edit my videos and TikToks. Rethan clips, which is just clips from my videos. Rethan green screens, which is just funny, really cringy green screens of me just doing like random shit. Like, like what even is this? Wait, what's this? Someone subscribed. Juan van der... Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, look, and the Stream Elements bot is like, I literally love you. Oh my god, the Stream Elements bot is actually working. And so yeah, the TikTok that I made on the live stream yesterday or the day before got so many views, bro. 85,000. And the TikTok I made today is already on 5,700 views. It's pretty good, just because I stole the idea from someone.
2 genius programmers wrote incredible code for the most iconic video game to date. That game? Doom.
By id Software.
Then, in 1997...
Anyway, let's not get distracted. Do I have Pepe the Frog in my game? No, but he's 100% already on the list. There's a huge list. I really want to add Saul Goodman from Better Call Saul. And this new Walter meme. Walter, I am the one who microwaves. That's such a funny meme. Wait, let me show you this meme, it's really funny. Walter, I am the one who microwave... Where is it? Who cooks microwave meals? Right, guys, watch this. It's hilarious.
Walter, put the fork away, Walter. You're not supposed to put a fork in the microwave. I am the one who cooks microwave meals.
Such a great meme. Such a good meme. Oh my god. Love that shit. Love it. Anyway. Today, I'm going to add a text box filter to filter levels by hashtags in the description. Wow. So, basically, the things I need to do is I need to parse the description and find the hashtags that the user wrote in their description for their level. And then I need to put those hashtags in an array in the database in Firestore. And then I need to add a text box to the filter page so the user can search for a hashtag, and then hook that up in the server, in the query, to the database. Oh, Jeffrey's animation. It was great having you, but a good meme? Impossible! It was great having you, Jeffrey. Wish you could stay. So, I don't know where we should start. I think we should start with parsing the actual description. And I think that should be done on the server, to be honest. So, let me open the server, which is... I don't know where it is anymore. Open recent. Oh, it's right there. Oh, it's already open. It's just on a different screen. Okay, so I need to start up the server with F5. Yes, very nice, very nice. And then in the function that is responsible for publishing the level, we need to extract these hashtags, I reckon. So, what is that emoji? It's just the moon. Whoa. A moon, what's happening to the moon? That's kind of sus, but I'll give it access anyway. This slaps. Also my mandatory M&S promotion. Chili and lime, edamame, peanuts, cashews and almonds. Go and purchase these delicious, delicious nuts. My new video got 1.4k view in 3 hours. That's pretty mad. Which platform? What, the TikTok one? Yeah, I saw your message. That's not that much though. If it's TikTok, honestly. Yeah, D's nuts. Oh, on YouTube, that's pretty good. I mean, that's decent. But YouTube Shorts are meant to be good. Man, this music is so much better than the shitty reggae I listen to on my behind the scenes streams. Right, so level doc. Oh, we have all these fields. We have the description field. We're gonna need to add a field for the hashtags. We'll just call them hashtags. We'll put it under the description. Eye level metadata. Where is this used? I don't know why we have this interface, to be honest. Do we use it in the client? By any chance? Go, stop switching to the wrong goddamn thingy. I don't care about you. Close window. Die. Right. Oh, I've been sitting at this chair all day. Do you hear those cracks? Oh, yes. I'm like my own chiropractor. Okay. Do we use eye level metadata anywhere? Time zones. Remind me what time zone you are in, Gustavo Fring. Absolute legend. This guy, I want to marry this man. Who is actually apparently gay. They hinted at it. This man. What a goddamn genius. Yeah, clip that. Why not? Nordic. Wait, that's the wrong. Okay, so I don't think hashtags needs to be in the eye level metadata in the interface, because this is just stuff that the user sets and it comes from the client. The array of hashtags is purely a server-side concept, other than when we're filtering for it on the client in the search page. So because of that, well, that's why we have the eye level metadata. So it's across both. Okay, yeah, we don't need it. Unless we do need it, we don't need it. How about that? That's Russian. It's all the same, okay? There's the UK and then there's everything else. That's the most American thing I've ever said. Right, okay, so here, let's write some actual code, starting off with Control-C, Control-V noises, and this is going to be a simple list of strings, and we'll call it hashtags. Nice. Little clippy over here to make sure I'm in good faith and good company. No dick. Got him. One time zone ahead of the UK. Actually, I'll have you know the UK is ahead of all different time zones because the UK is the best. Okay, so shut the fuck up and know your place. God, I'm so American today. Why am I so American? So patriotic. By American, I mean patriotic. Okay, so now we have our hashtags in the level doc. In publish level, we need to add the hashtags here. Hashtags equals. Do we need to add it anywhere else? I don't know. I don't think so. This is a very simple function, isn't it? No, it's not. Okay, let's see what this function does, because I forgot. So gets the user, gets the metadata from the request from the client, and level length, level name dot length, blah blah. Just some security checks. I don't know why. Oh yeah, that was because PlayFab's retarded. I need to stop saying retarded. He's swearing a lot today. He must be happy. I'm just happy to be back, to be honest. Coding my game. This is what's fun. This is why I live. I'm making stupid TikToks to grow my channel. Although I do quite enjoy those. I really feel like I should be doing that because, like, no one else does it. I know enough. So, delete files from the entity. Original level snapshot. Okay, create a user IDs. That's just for creator user IDs. Okay, so yeah, it's literally just this. So we need a function to pass the hashtags from the description. Are we gonna have a max number of hashtags? Maybe max number of hashtags is 100. Okay. I'll add that to the Trello so I don't forget. Limit number of hashtags to 69. Why not? Why not? Oh. How to pass hashtags from text. C#. I love the music too, man. Perfect for all of us. Find hashtag in string. Regex. I don't trust random regexes on the internet, to be honest, but this one's got 10 votes and an upvote. So, and a tick. You can use regex with blah blah blah. Really? Is this simple? Alright, let's copy and paste. I guess that's it. So what is the at and the W plus? Oh, it tells you. Hashtag matches the character hashtag. W plus matches any word character. Oh, okay. Equal A to Z. I'm gonna log in and like this. Also, why am I using Stack Overflow light theme? That's disgusting. Man, Jam Sharp suggested the best music earlier. Let me play it for you guys, because I just want to hear it again. What was it? It was April Fool's Club Penguin music. Listen to this absolute banger, okay? And then come back and tell me you've listened to music before. Right. Listening to a banger. I added this to the stream playlist. A list in Discord when you stream. A list? There's already like a message that gets added to the Discord in the announcements channel automatically when I stream. Anyway, absolute banger. Tacos, hello, nice to have you. What's happening right now? I'm trying to pass hashtags from the description, like a TikTok hashtag or a YouTube description hashtag. And I just copied and pasted this regex right here, which I logged in to upvote and switched to dark theme Stack Overflow because Google Chrome reset all of my cached data across all the websites because my Mac ran out of storage because Adobe After Effects was caching every file for some reason and my Mac just ran out of storage. Yeah, I know, right? It slaps, doesn't it? Thank you, SCP, for this song slaps as well. I forgot which one this is from. Right. Okay. So I copied and pasted the regex. Oh yeah, I was trying to figure out what the regex actually does. So it matches any word character. Okay. Do we want more than any word character? I think so. I think we want anything until the next space. Match text after character until space. C# regex. Does anyone know regex? Can anyone help me with this regex? Damn, DaVinci Resolve. I thought it was meant to be good. Ooh. Club Penguin has the best music, indeed. Match any word until first space. I want to match anything that comes before the first space. Oh. No. Oh, here we go. This is what we want. Matches the character at. Okay. Matches any character except new line. And then match any white space character. Okay. So this is the regex. Except we need to change the @ to a hashtag. Let me... Whoa. There's an... Okay. I don't know why there's an @ before. I don't know what that means. Does that mean regex in C#? C# @ before string. It means to interpret the string literally, that is, you cannot escape any characters. That's useful. That's very useful. 100+ subs in 3 weeks. Damn, that's not bad. I haven't even posted any long form content. I'm trying to find a good editor on Fiverr. Yeah, but I'm not most people, am I? I am Rethan. That's very narcissistic of me to say. Right, I want to put this into a .NET fiddle to play around with it, you know, see how it works, see if it's any good. .NET fiddle. Right, you know, I don't want to just like, I'll look at kept the code from last time. So we have our regex. Oh, do we have to use something .something? System.regex. Regex C#. What namespace do we need to use? System.text.regular expressions. Fine, Microsoft. Don't give me regex in the default namespace. Be that way. Alright, Gustav. It was nice having you. You've used the @ string in Windows file paths. Ah. That is very useful. I can see why it's a .NET specific thing then. So we have our thingy. Okay, and then let's make a variable for input. Var input equals blah 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 blah. Hashtag SCP. Hashtag jam sharp. Hashtag bye Gustav. And then like maybe some emojis. Oh, I didn't put in the emoji. I need the fucking emoji. God damn it. Whoa, no swearing. No swearing. Okay. Maybe some... Can you do new lines? No. Okay. Run? Okay, I only got SCP and Jam Sharp. It didn't get bye Gustav. When's my new video coming out? When the Fiverr editor stops being a little simplistic. So let me try and think of what this regex is doing, right? Hashtag, then, what was that? Any or more, any character except new line. Gustav, I'd love to have you on my streams. Hashtag blah. Okay. Okay, so it's just if the hashtag is at the end, it doesn't quite work. Because if there's no space after the last one. Other than that, it kind of works perfectly. What if it's at the beginning? Boatman. Oh, I'm sorry, Boatman. You have to say something. There, you get special place at the start. So... Split by hashtag and then trim. Split. What does that do again? Yo. There, yo, you got in. Well, the thing is, I don't know if split is a good idea. Split C#. It explodes it, right? Delimited. Yeah, it's delimited. So I'd have to... I guess I could delimit... I could split by space. And then only look at the ones that have a hashtag at the start. Would that work all the time? Would that work at the last one? Yeah, it would, because that's... What if it was this? What would happen here? What happens here? What does happen? Yeah, okay, this is correct. That's the thing, though. So if we did split with a space, this wouldn't work, but the regex does, because there's no space before the hashtag, right? I mean, I guess we could split by space and then also split by hashtag as well. School is already here. Oof. Back to school, boys. I think the regex is better. I prefer the regex, you know? Let me just zoom in on this. Tell me if you can't see anything, guys, by the way, because, like, you know. It's just, this regex just needs one more. How do you do 0 or more? 0 or more regex C#. It's the star, right? In your early expression, star has no preceding character. The second one follows the T character. I feel like that is not going to work. What if let me try that. What does that do? Okay. What if I remove the space at the end of yo? Oh, that still doesn't work. What if I put the star out here? Nice classical music, damn. 11:33. You're in school right now. Right now at 11:33. Whoa, the music just changed miraculously. It knew I didn't like it. Pass hashtags from text C# regex. I mean, I think we could do split, to be honest. I don't want to though. The regex is better. I don't understand the regex. What is the dot in the C# regex? Dot in C# regex. Dot. Oh, I think he means like a roundabout now. Dot as a special character means match anything. Match space or end of text regex. C#. Because all the regexes in all the different languages are slightly different. So... what if we have new lines? Wait, if we do at, and then, can we have new lines? Oh, we can. Nice. Space of start of string and space of end of string. Word boundaries. Let's try that. Well, maybe it shouldn't be in this. Whoa. One or more. Uh-oh. Damn, you're getting roasted. Yeah, no, I know what you mean though, don't worry. Means you're in school around about now. C# regex string with dots. C# regex. Find hashtags in string. Chrono Trigger is great music. I don't know. Maybe I should use split. Does this work for new lines? I could just add a space at the end, to be honest, and then it'll work. Okay, fine. We'll just add a space at the end. This seems to work nicely. Cool. Cool. That's the hardest part of this whole story, this whole task. So the input is the description. Where's the description? The description is in level metadata.description. Or an empty string plus a space. Now I'll leave a comment. We add a space at the end because otherwise the last hashtag in the string won't be matched because there isn't a space after, or if there isn't a space after. Okay, matches, nice. We have a match collection. Whoa, what is a match collection? Theoretical hashtag split. Yeah, so split on hashtag and split on space. Yeah. That would work, but I got the regex to work, so I'm just like, I'd rather use regex. It's more elegant. If like some pro programmer looked at this code down the line and they're like, what the hell? How old are you using fucking split? Like, I don't know. Maybe it's not a young person thing. I just used to do that when I was young, and I've been taught not to. I don't know why. It's just more elegant. Roblox Studio. It had a different language. Maybe one day I'll do a special 10 million subscriber Roblox stream. If I get to 10 million subscribers, there, you now have video evidence of me saying I'll do it. I'll try out Roblox Studio on stream. Right, so we have our matches. Can we do matches.toList? Because it needs to be a list. Matches.toList. Nice. ToList string. Does not contain a definition. How to convert match collection to list, C# to a string array. That's so stupid. Why? Why is this so hard? Of type... Really? 10k? No, 10k is when meme game comes out. In theory. Why? Oh. This should not be this hard. Fine, have it your way, stupid. Match.cast. 8 matches. And then why? Why is it complaining? Huh? What's wrong with you? To list. What is all this? Oh, it's because I put a semicolon when I shouldn't have. Uh-oh. Also, am I using regular... Oh, I'm using regular expressions. Okay, nice. Roblox. Ooh! I think one of my stream elements overlays is a Roblox ooh sound. But you never know. One can never know. Okay, so let's test this out. The hashtags should now be put into an array in the Firestore. Is the old server running? No. Okay. Close. Start up again. And now in meme game, let's just create a new level. Add some hashtags to the old description. Oh, we can take the hashtags from here. Let's use this. And create level. Whatever. Oh, I just exited for no reason. Edit level. Save and quit. Oh no, I need to give it a hashtag test. Whatever. And now we need to win the level so we can publish it. Otherwise, it won't let me. And then publish. An error. Ooh. Why? Let's try again. Failed to receive data. An operation is already pending for this. I'm gonna pretend like that didn't happen. Right, I'll close this. I will restart it. And let's go into PlayFab and delete that file. Operation already pending for this file. Surely not. Confirm publish. Cannot connect it. Oh, I just restarted the server. Find it overcomplicated for stuff that should be simple, like moving a camera separately for the character. At least documentation is somewhat decent. Really? The Roblox documentation is pretty good. Hashtag error, yeah. Hashtag uwu. Hashtag... Wait, the Roblox ooh sound got removed? Wait, what? Why? What's the gar sound? It was such a classic. Why did they remove it? Oh, fuck. I just said uwu. Yeah, but I said it ironically, so it's okay. Please don't kill me. Uwu. Actually, I said uwu in my video. My making of my level builder video. When I told you not to hack me. I was like, please don't hack me. Oh, I'm providing you with the service. Whoa. I'll never do that again. Play fabulous. Just play nicely with me, okay? Yay, I got special permission. Ha! Sugon D's! Got him. Okay, I need to stop. Otherwise, I'm just gonna like develop it as a habit, and then like at someone's funeral, I'll just start saying "Sug on these nuts, uwu," and then it'll just be like, "Uh-oh, that was a naughty." What am I looking for? Oh yeah, players. Hey, it should in theory work. Hello. Hello. Okay. Oh, hey, it worked. I think. Nice. Okay. Now let's check it out in Firestore. What's the ID? What's the level ID? Oh, we can check it in meme game because it's available to the public. 5DC16C438. At your service. Thank you very much. The old documentation is good, but the new one they're trying to switch to is worse. Did they improve the programming language or something like that? Oh, look at that. Hashtags. And we now have a lovely array of hashtags. And now we can simply do an array contains query. And all shall be well and good. I should hope so. I should bloody well hope so. Ah! I'm so weird today. I think I've just been missing this too much. Oh, yo, wait a minute. Is it? It doesn't have a space after it, because yo has a space after it. Ooh. Okay, so because we're adding a space at the end, it added a space to the last one. We can trim. We can trim it. C# trim. I know it's kind of hacky, but every time I say hacky, I think of hacky. Yeah, split 0. I think trim just returns a new string in which all leading and trailing occurrences of a specified set of characters are removed. So yeah, just trim by itself. So I think all we need to do is pass it through trim. Or is it dot trim? It's a member function. Dot trim. There we go. That should work. But yeah, that split thing would have done the same thing. Although, if there was no space, then would the array be empty, and then indexing the first element would crash the entire server? UK be like... Coffee? Is that coffee? Yeah, we drink tea, but not coffee. Like... Or was that just more tea? Tea and knife crime. Yeah, no, the tea thing is a bit of a stereotype, to be honest. And there's some funnier stereotypes that are actually true about the UK. Like, we drink bottle of water. This right here is a bottle of water. Say after me, kids. Bottle of water. Bottle of water. Oi, fam. Oi, boss man, yeah? You got like a bottle of water for me, yeah? And then boss man proceeds to sell you the bottle of water. And then you drink the bottle of water. Plushie mold. Plushie mold YT. Does this imply the existence of a content creator watching my video? Do you have lots of subscribers? Can you shout me out? Uwu? I'm saying uwu too much now because I have the pass. I have the U word pass. Thanks to Boatman. Boa. It's actually spelled like this. Bo o water. Like that. Bottle of water. Bottle of water. You say it really fast. Plushie mold. Where are you based? Or are you just gonna go back to radio silence? Yeah, I know, right? Some Americans think the language they speak is called American. Excuse me? Literally? Oh my god. Did I restart the server? I completely forgot. I was too distracted by chat. Okay, let's try this again with the exact same description. I wonder if I can someone write me like a description with loads of like hashtags and loads of like weird spaces and characters and symbols everywhere that I can actually test to see if this works? Because right now it's quite a simple string. Hello, GhostCat174 from Twitch. I think you might be alone on Twitch, but you can come to YouTube and join the squad, or you can communicate with everyone through the chat on my screen. Thank you, Jamsharp. I appreciate it. The split function always returns an array at least one element. Okay, fair enough. I guess, yeah. Yeah, that makes sense, actually.
Wow.
Hey! Wow! Ghost Cat 174. I literally love you. Apparently. Create a level. And then miscellaneous robot Froggo. And let's make him a wide boy. Let's go, boys. I don't know why I did that. Hashtag 2. Do I still have it in the clipboard? No, I don't. I have this random, stupid, useless shit. I'll just copy it from here, because why not? Okay, now let's see if this works. Claire de Lune, I don't know. Doesn't matter. Publish, confirm, publish, verify level. Already won. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom. I am absolutely wonderful now that you've joined, Ghost Cat. Thank you. How are you? Oh, thank you, Jamsharp. I will use that to test in a sec. Let me write that in my Trello. Test with this. Can you think of an even more clapped one? It's good to know that you're good. What are you up to on this fine Tuesday night or morning, depending on where you are in the world? I'm sure 99% of Americans don't know they speak English. They speak Americanish. I've already read that. I just think I'm getting more messages than I actually am. Yay! So let's test if this actually worked. I believe... Oh, we need to see what the actual level ID is first. Publish level ID AOC02040D. Okay, AOC. It didn't update? What? Has it failed? No. What? What? The server was down. The server died. Did it die halfway through? So how is this here? What? Wait a minute. How is it loading data from the server when it's not even in the server? What? Wait, nah, this must be a bug on Firestore's end, not showing me the right data. Look, the level ID isn't here. It starts with an A, right? Oh wait, no, it is here. Durr. Okay. Hey, okay, no, now Yo doesn't have anything at the end. Lovely. You saw it. You missed it. Yeah. See, this is why I need you guys to just help me. Wanna know what I'm doing? Watch these. Come on, Stream Elements is so ass. It's meant to send another message afterwards. Wait, can I not send links on my own Twitch? No way. Wait a minute. YouTube.com. Right, let's just like link to this. And then let me try and send a link on Twitch. That worked. That's so dumb. Windows ISO. What is this? Oh, your Windows tablet. Don't use a Windows tablet. Get a Mac. Get an iPad. How many monitors do I have? I have 3 monitors. But my Stream Elements isn't goddamn working. Oh, whoa. You can send links as well? I didn't realize that. I have one big wide boy over here, and then a shitty one on a music stand over there, and then my Mac screen over here. Here's a nicer one. Okay. So let's try testing. Let's copy and edit level. Let's just change this, and then we'll change this to 3. Publish, verify, continue, publish. Guess it doesn't support weird characters. It's just squares, but that's alright. No one want to do feature creep. Let's see. Now that is a cursed. So this feature shows the level creators in order. Well, I cloned it for myself. And it shows the original level that this was copied from. Isn't that cool? Anyway. Isn't that cool? Okay, let's check Firebase. I think it's this. Yeah. Nice. I think it worked. Is that what it's meant to be? Yeah, I think so. Because if you have like multiple hashtags, then like the hashtag is part of the word. Cool. Cool. Good night, SCP. I will see you later. Yeah, it should, because there's no space. Or maybe not. I don't know. That's fine though, I think. That behavior. Yeah. I don't know if it should, but that's alright. 10k subs. Yep. I don't know if it should be separate or the same, but I don't want to fix it. So let's pretend like it's meant to be like that. It's meant to be. Okay, so you have a hashtag. What was that issue I just had? Oh yeah, the stream elements thing. Let me just add that to my to-do notion. .so to do and by to do fix goddamn stream elements. It only sends one message of the timed messages. Look, wanna know what I'm doing? Watch these, and then it doesn't send the next message. That's so shit. Yeah, exactly. Piece of fuck. Behind the scenes channel fixed. What do you mean fixed? Should I try and fix stream elements now? Should I send a support request to stream elements? Being like, help. Should I show my email? Oh, my new passport is on the way. Stream elements. Grayson. I have another issue. Alright, Boatman. You can go to sleep. Fixed. Just fill it in for the bot. Is it? Which Discord channel should I talk to them? This guy's pretty responsive. In the timed chat messages the bot is meant to send, it only sends the first message, not the other ones. Why is this a bug? Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. Nice. If he doesn't reply, I'll use the Discord, because I'm already in the Discord. Tech support, stream elements. What should I do on? Bugs. Feedback. Help desk YT. Oh, so many people. Oh, it's Grayson. He's the guy I've just been messaging on. What's it called again? Let me be specific. Stream elements. Let's see. Dashboard. Chatbot. Timers. That's what it is. See, like, for example, want to know what I'm doing? Response message. Response message. These didn't send. This happened on both Twitch. Both my YouTube and Twitch chatbots that have timers to send messages. Only send the first message, not the other ones. Why is this? Is this expected? Let's see what he says. Come on, Grayson, you're online. I'll just send him like a screenshot. It only sends wanna know what I'm doing. Right, we'll check back in a sec. Because for now, there is a user interface to create on the page that is responsible for 5 seconds. That is responsible for filtering. So in the browse publish levels, just add a nice little text box over here. Hashtags. Let me just read my Trello card, see what I've said about it. Okay, we've tested it with this. That was good. Limit number of hashtags to 69. Oh yeah. Okay, let me add the limit number of hashtags first. Level. Here we go. Public static int max number of hashtags equals 69. When will the game fully be released? I don't know about fully, but early access when I hit 10k subs. Because like the whole game fully works, like end to end. You can make levels, share them, all that. There's a few things I still need to do actually. I'm going to add an undo buffer in the level editor. And I'm also going to try and add comments, I think. Comment system so people can leave comments and reviews. Expiry. Rip. Actually, I like it. Yeah, I think that's all we need to do. We should make the player's starting health configurable in the custom settings. It would add a lot to the game. Yeah, could do. Small stuff like this. Make the loading screen background a giant rainbow wheel that spins. The undo feature would be useful, yeah. It's just quite easy as well. It's just saving a string. The JSON string. And then going back. And a redo feature as well. Yeah, I mean, how hard could that be, right? Famous last words. Well, hey, did Grayson reply? He is typing! My man Grayson! Right. Now max number of hashtags, 69. And then in publish level, how do you link queue select first n elements? Take. Dot take. Config dot level dot max number of hashtags. Yes. What if there are none? What if there's no description? What happens? Let's just see. I haven't tested that. Gustav Strangler, but you can call me Gus. Hey Gus, you're back. Feature, do feature, read your mind, adds random stuff to level. Smart. You did a TikTok about me. Where is it? Send it to me. I want to see it. Yeah, I should get one of those mind readers. And then you just create a level based on your mind. Neuralink. Meme Game 3. Was it hard learning C# first? C# was not my first programming language. By the time I learned C# I was very good at it. Programming. But created levels. Edited levels. Copy and edit level. C# is not too hard. It's not too easy either. It's got a lot of... It's not like C++. So... No description. Publish, verify, continue, publish. What happens here? I got a response. Ooh. That's how timer works. Conditions need to be met. Then it will send one of the messages, not all of them. So if there have been 5 new messages, the timer will begin And then 30 minutes later. Oh. That's weird. So if there have been 5 unique messages in your chat, the time will begin. Okay. So it's the next message every 30 minutes. Not randomly. Does it cycle through the messages in order or randomly pick one? Ah, thanks. It's a bit misleading. They could have told us that. Anyway, 100. Hashtags, empty array. Yeah. So I guess I'm gonna have to update my stream elements. Right. Watch these. 1 and 2. Goodbye. Goodbye. Save. What did he say? As far as I know, it's in order. Thank you. Why would I want to use it in order? Oh, just to keep it non-repetitive. Firebase, yeah, it's free until you reach a certain number of traffic and then you start paying for the traffic you use. It's perfect. I love it. Love Firebase. Whoa! It's the same video? Uh-oh. Sus.
Is the coding language.
Okay. I think actually the first video I should show should be my making of my level builder game, because it is, it's way better than It's Mario Maker but memes. This is a bit of a shit video. Actually, it's not too bad. So yeah, I'll do my making of my level builder video first. Should I have a 1 and 2? No. It doesn't matter about the ordering. I'll just have that first. Okay. Boom, boom. Nice. Save. Wishlist the game. Here. I'll add a emoji pointing at it. A. God damn it. Oh, is it because it's on a new line? Okay, yeah, that's fine. I'll just copy this, to be honest. You DM me in Discord. Let's see. It's your boy. What is it? It is your boy. TikTok. It is your underscore boy. Oh, 6.4k views. It is your boy. It's my boy. Uh-oh. Is it private? I think it might be private. Or maybe it hasn't been reviewed yet. Tell me when it's public. Stream elements. Okay, so we save that. Join Discord. Join the Discord. This and this. I hope this still works. Does this link still work? Oh. Did I just... Oh no! I blocked Jamshot. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry. How do I unblock you for 5 minutes? Fuck. I don't know how to unblock you. Can I unblock you? I feel really bad now. I'm sorry, Jamshot. Can I? What if I click that? Oh no. I put you in an even more of a timeout. I thought we would open a menu. Oh, deleted. Oh, no. No. How to unblock someone YouTube live stream. Oh, will it be in the... If I go into my... I go into my oh, the delay is pretty good. If I go into no jam shop. Community. No, jam shop, you're not in the hidden users. I think it's just in the last 5 minutes. Okay, I'm sorry. I guess we'll have to wait for 5 minutes. I was clicking too fast. It deleted all your messages. That's so sad. Okay, anyway, let me just finish doing the restream shit. Oh yeah, I was gonna paste the Discord. That was what I was doing. Does the Discord invite link still work for you all? Oh, nice. Sorry, Jam Sharp. That was a bit of a savage move. If it were intentional, but it's not. Right, okay, so I have to do this 60 times. Ugh. I think it'd be easier if I just copy and paste from one window to the other. So I'll just get Firefox. If you block YouTube, then they can't see your videos. I think it's about that. I think it's they can't message. Is it public yet? No. Yeah, that is bad design. That's... Hopefully it's only 5 minutes. Oh yeah, stream elements is what I'm looking for. Come on, you know who I am. Okay, let me copy over the stream element settings from the Twitch. From Twitch. Chat commands. No, it's timers. Twitch. Timers. I thought Stream Elements would be like a big established company, but it's really not. It's really just like a... They're really just buggy as fuck. So cop some merch. You know, I knew when I was doing this, in the back of my mind, I was like, you know... Oh, I don't want to do time equals that. No, thank you. I'm sorry guys, I'm new to streaming, okay? Give us some slack. Wishlist the game, wishlist the game. Oh no, I just lost the game. And join the Discord. Join the Discord. Boom. Check out all of my links. Check out, oh, forgot to delete that there. Save. Check out all of my links. Apparently the most you can do is use Nightbot to reduce the timeout time. Even lower than 5 minutes. Oh, I didn't do that properly. Why am I so error prone? I always have to go back and check everything because I know I'll have made a mistake somewhere over the rainbow. Oh, bye. And promote merch. Okay. And let's do that for Trovo because Facebook doesn't actually support chatbots because Facebook sucks dick. Sucks. It sucks. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go, baby. Dubstep. Can you guys do dubstep with your voice? Because I can. Whoa. No. Drop the bass. Yeah, if I do that too long, I can't speak for the next like 3 days. So, psych. Wishlist the game. Wishlist the game. Wishlist the game. Wishlist the game. Save. Save. Oh, I'm scared I'll do something wrong. Or maybe it's just Stream Elements glitching out on me. You know? Maybe I don't do anything wrong. It's just Stream Elements at fault. I mean, Stream Elements has glitched out on me so much. God damn it. Hey, you're back. That's good. Wow, time flies when you're having fun. Yay. Okay, and now I need to do all of this for behind the scenes. Great. Absolutely marvelous. Script. Behind the scenes. Pardon me. Oh, that had a residual taste. Promote merch. Cop some merch. Cop some merch. Save. Join the Discord. Join the Discord. Where's it? Where's it? Join the Discord. Join the Discord. Yes. Check out all of my links. Check out all of my links. Save. Now. 2 more to go. Twitch and Trovo. I don't know why I care about Trovo. I know, I have so many channels. The thing is, I want to make sure, like, it's good practice to only post, like, one kind of content on a specific channel. Because you're really just, like, shooting yourself in the foot if you're posting different types of content. And I make a lot of different types of content, you know? I have, like, my main videos, which are, like, well edited, and, like, lots of time goes into those. And I have my, like, stream highlights, which is me coding meme game. Then I have my stream highlights, which will be me editing my TikToks. I mean, I don't have any videos yet, but, like, oh, no, promote merch. Ah, getting distracted. Promote merch. Cop some merch. Boom, boom, boom. That's right. Links. Join the Discord. That's the last boy. Let's get you. Boom. Boom. Now, is this timeout gonna be in the stream highlights? Maybe it will. We'll have to see how well the Indian Fiverr guy edits my video. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, last one is Trovo. Owned by Tencent. Which make TikTok, by the way. Oh, now is your TikTok up? No. I think if you haven't posted anything before, it needs to be, like, moderated or something. Or maybe you've been shadow banned. What if I follow you? I'm not going to follow you. Maybe I will follow you. There, I followed you. Dun, 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 dun. Trovo, chatbot, timers. In bad news, an evil mod has lots of power in YouTube chat if they can ban everyone 5 minutes. Yep, that's why you don't get evil mods. I need mods. One day I'll convert my Discord mods into actual mods. That's you, Jam Sharp. Wishlist the game. Oh my god, I'm so distracted. Promote merch. Merch. Boom. Boom. This isn't really game dev. I shouldn't be doing this on stream. But I have this incessant need to do everything instantly. I have no patience. Actually, I do have patience. But, like, there's not a strong enough reason for me not to do this now. Because, you know, I can either do it now while I'm entertaining myself talking to you guys. Or I can do it later, sitting on my own like a little hermit. Saying absolutely nothing. Anyway, I'm done. I'm done. Bye-bye. Done. Now let's see if this stream bot works. Stream goddamn elements. Sus. Dun, 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 dun. Where's tech support? Stream elements. Okay. Annoying. If your account has less than 16, TikTok auto privates all videos posted. Oh. That's a bit annoying. It's kind of sus. This is really cool, by the way. Very cool. Yeah, if you guys don't know, Jamsharp made a thing that converts your files into videos and images, GIFs. Encodes the data. upload those videos to YouTube. Unlimited file storage. Oh yeah. Should I pretend like I'm pressing a button on my stream deck when I do dubstep mode? Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's kind of sus. Okay, so it worked when the description was empty. That I'll leave it up here until it figures it out. So we limit the number of hashtags to 69. Naz is Naz. Yeah. I think. Did I test it? Should we try it with loads of hashtags? Let's just do it. Just in case, you know? I don't want to say it's right. Favorite publisher. Let's just clone it again. Let's just make loads of copies of these levels. Level settings. Hashtag re. Oh, we should make it unique. Wait, but arrays are unique, aren't they? In Firebase. Yeah, I don't think we need to bother. Let's just like add a hashtag. Hashtag lol. Oh, we should remove the hashtag as well. Or should we? Oh, you know it's not unique. Okay. C# make list unique. Distinct. Okay, so just chuck on a distinct onto the I enumerable chain. So dot. Let's just take the first 60. Dot distinct. Nice. We also want to remove the hashtag. Remove first char from string C#. Substring. But then how do I use the substring? I don't want to. String.remove returns. Removes a string value, so the start index. From index X having a length of Y. Substring 1, okay. Let's just do that then. Dot substring 1. Okay, thank you, Jamsharp. Now let's test it out. Hashtag re. Oh, we have to use 69. You know what? I'll do it with 5 now, and then we'll change it to 69 after. So 5, and then we'll start the server, and then 69. We won't save the file yet. So hashtag re, hashtag jam sharp, hashtag yo, hashtag plushy mold YT, hashtag blah 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 blah. This level is really cool. Hashtag blah, hashtag blah, hashtag blah. And then we'll do hashtag re, hashtag re, hashtag re. We should do hashtag re lots of times at the beginning. Like that. Well, if we make it distinct first, no, we want to take it at the end. Yeah, let's take it at the end. That's better. Because, yeah, that's the desired behavior, isn't it? Ugh, this thing never starts. I always have to close the terminal before restarting the goddamn server. Nice, you haven't played the old meme game 1. Oh man, you're in for a ride. That shit absolutely was fire back in the days. That shit rocked so many boats. And it floated so many boats as well. It's got quite good reviews as well. People saying it's changed their life forever. It's on Steam. Oh, that's 2 on Steam. Oh, that's the top one. Okay. Android, 4.5 ratings, 100k plus downloads, 931 reviews. Masterpiece. This game cured my restlessness and made me better. I have a new outlook on life. Continue developing it. This is why I made Ye Old Meme Game too, because of all your kind words. Only 3 stars, because I don't see anything. Oh, get a better phone, mate. Game changed my life. Swears a lot, and I hate people who swear. Plus too much memes, I cannot see a thing. No. Who cares about a China S app? How to break your ears in one installation. Speed run going deaf. Yeah, try YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. What was I doing? Oh yeah, the server is up and running. Oh no, but it would have saved.
I hope this helps.
Whoa! Whoa! That's my first ever donation! Plushy mold! Give this man a meme! I salute you, good sir. That was my first ever donation. That is mad. I have now made money from my YouTube empire. All my content. I have not made a single dime up until now. Wow. Plushy mold, I will remember this moment. Thank you. Now when people ask me if I've made any money from my YouTube, I'll be like, yeah, I made $1. I made a fucking $1. It's also good to know that Stream Elements didn't glitch the fuck out. As expected. Oh yeah, let me start that up. I'm gonna leave a little comment for Plushy Mold.
But mostly you are making the bank.
Another one. Stop. Hello, delicious chicken. I just got my first and second ever donation from this man, Plushy Mold. I'm gonna leave a comment for him right here. Let's do it in caps. To commemorate Plushy Mold YT as my first ever donation. Then you get an emoji. You the man. I'll say this comment serves to commemorate Plushy Mold YT as my first ever donation. Well done, Plushy Mold. You made it into the code base. Came to make you hungry. You know what I should do in order to get more donations? Whenever someone donates, I'll just comment in the code their name and then how much they donated. But it might have to be more than a quid, otherwise too many people will do it. Actually, for now, well, I'm getting no donations. I'll do that. Donate £1 every second. Bot spams. Chat. Bot maybe glitches out. Damn. What am I working on? Came to make me hungry. Yeah, I'm kind of hungry now. Like, all I have in the house are these M&S chili and lime nuts. And I'm starving. I'm working on my meme game, in case you haven't seen it already. It's a level builder meme game where you create your own levels and then publish them and share them. And right now, I'm adding hashtags so you can find levels by what hashtags are in the description. So we just started up the server, and now we need to test to see if this description works the way I intended for it to. So let's publish the level. Hello, lazy man. You just made it. Notice me. Yeah, boy. Is Yo's TikTok up yet? Oh, yo! Your TikTok is up. Sup, Creed's Code. Why is everyone joining now? And, yeah, there's some funnier stereotypes that are actually true about the UK. Like, we drink bottle of water. This right here is a bottle of water. Say after me, kids. Bottle of water. Bottle of water. Oi, fam. Oi, boss man, yeah? You got like a bottle of water for me, yeah? I like that. Boss man proceeds to sell you the bottle of water. Bottle of water. And then you drink the bottle of water. Bottle of water. And you made another donation. How do I replay it? I'll add another comment. Plushy Mold. Wait, am I spelling your name right? Isn't mold spelled with a U? YT donated £1. Wait, did I miss the message? Was the message funny? Why doesn't it say the message? It only says it here. 1 comment per donation, then if people donate once every second, code base becomes very long, code becomes unreadable. It's worth it. They paid for their spot in the code base. In OBS, I don't have stream elements linked in OBS. It's just showing a browser window. Can I see my donations and stream elements though? And then the messages that came along. Where did you donate? Was it on YouTube or Twitch? It must have been on YouTube, because that's the only one that supports it. £3 from tips. Money. But most of you are the bank. Nice. Wow, 3 times. You are making the bank. Right. Actually, how about if they spam it, I'll just up it. Up it in the same spot. Text-to-speech donate thing in donation oh, yeah. Wait, did it not do text-to-speech? It should have. Streaming tools, overlays, thank yous. Regular thank yous. No, not merch alert. Settings, tip alert. Oh, no, put it back on. On. Minimum amount. Yeah, there's no minimum amount. Text to speech. Enable text to speech. Tip event.
Do not fear a man that spams 1,000 memes. Instead fear a man that spams a meme 1,000 times.
Damn, Marilee donated £50. Oh my god. Okay, did I publish the level? I did. Okay, 5FB is the boy. The rude boy. Okay, hashtags. Does 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. And it uses the correct. Yeah. It makes it unique. Cool. Cool. Yes, the beta is opened when I do early access on Steam, and anyone can buy it. It's a public beta or alpha, I don't know. Okay, so now I can put the max level. Who subscribed? That Sharko followed. Thank you, that Sharko. I literally love you, that Sharko. Yeah, you can customize the test donations. Okay. So I think now I can make the user interface potentially, you never know. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Let me commit. Let me commit my code. It is always a good idea to commit my code. Commit my code. Pretend someone famous donated. Yeah, right. I'll do it on another screen. I'm so popular. Let's go. Da-na-na-na. This is a lot of effort. Okay, I need to make a user interface on the browse levels page, which is over. Where is it? Leaderboard menus, browse levels. There we go. Let's open that scene. Open the overlay. Okay. I need to add a text box here. Man, it's been so long since I did any Unity UI stuff. Let's Whoa!
Nice work, Ethan. Keep drinking milk and smash subscribe.
Danny donated 666. Oh my god, guys. Danny noticed me. Mad. Mad. Overdraft £3. Danny donated £666. Oh my god. Oh my days, fam. Very real, very real. Make that 667. And very cool. Yeah, there's some funnier stereotypes. Okay. Text box. Don't I already have a prefab? I already do in the level builder itself. Here, this search box. Come on, select. There we go. Okay, it's not a prefab. Search bar. No. Okay, actually, I said I was going to read what I had here. I'm pretty sure fast. What's this? If it doesn't say I can't use it with array contains. You hype. Okay, actually, I don't know if this will work or not yet. A menu in the game for like first donators and stuff like that. Yeah, I am. I have a plan to. Maybe in my Patreon or something. Well, no, actually, I was going to make a bot that gets all the donations I've ever had and then puts it into the game automatically. Yeah, I have a card for that, actually. The text box, enter your hashtag. Sure you have a hashtag as the first character you can't erase. Better UX, but also remove the hashtag from the filter before sending it off. Okay. You know what, before I make this whole UI, let me just test to make sure that this, I can actually query. So, I'm just gonna temporarily stick on a re in all of the, in the get level. So get level, or no, query levels. Query levels. Let's just temporarily temp to do remove query equals query dot array, where array contains the field path is constants dot firestore. Oh, I need to add this here. Firestore public const string field names. Let's add it here. Public const string hashtags equals hashtags. Yep, Plushie Mold, you're my very first owner, and I will remember you forever. Will Meme Game 2 be compiled with IL2CPP? I think IL2CPP, because some of the platforms I want to go to are only IL2CPP, so it makes sense to just have them all IL2CPP, and it's harder to hack, so, and it's faster. So, not faster for me to build though, that's for sure. Am I right? Got him. Got him. I'm gonna keep high-fiving myself, I like that. Firestore.fieldnames.hashtags, and the field has to equal re. I'm just gonna hard code re for now with 4 E's. See if that returns me only levels. Okay, I know this is gonna fail because I haven't created the index for it. Main menu, level builder. You know, I think the starting level, the starting scene should be the main menu, so it doesn't keep creating new levels. Wanna meet up? Jeez. No, I've been warned by people not to get too close to my my fans because some of them might just suss me out. I don't know. Goodbye, Gustav. It was nice having you. Yeah, and it's also harder to mod. That's true. I don't really want people modding my game because it's an online game. People will start hacking. What am I doing? Oh yeah, browse levels. Will this give an error? Oh, I haven't even restarted the server, so this is gonna work. God damn it, why doesn't it have hot reload? I just want hot reload. Doesn't every developer just want that hot and sexy reloading? Oh, this isn't gonna work because I still haven't closed the terminal window. I know it's not gonna work. Microsoft suck. Well, they don't actually, but they kind of do. And here I am using Microsoft products. This song absolutely bangs. Your ultra epic private server with MMO mechanics for some reason. What do you mean? In Minecraft? How would mods see the options to like ban or do the levels? I don't know if mods are gonna ban the levels. I think it's just gonna be like you can report a level. Should I add a reporting system? Do I have a reporting system? Maybe I should add a reporting system. I think you need a reporting system anyway for user-generated content. Do I have a card? I swear I added a card for it. Oh, here we go. Probably need a way to report the level. I'll add that. Yeah, okay, there's still kind of a few stuff we need to do. Damn, I hope I don't reach 10k too fast. Then I won't be able to release it if I haven't actually done all this stuff. Maybe I should do the report system before, because that is kind of important. Okay, cool. So now, when I query the levels, it should give an error here. Nice. An index. Okay, I will just add it. Okay, let's first see what the index that is required is. Mod login to review reports. I think I'll just like do it when a level has received. Maybe I'll do that, yeah. Customer support or mods or something. Yeah, I could do mods to be fair. If I have a community here on my YouTube channel, I could just use the same mods. Or see who wants to mod. Or get like mods to like vote. Why? What? Why are none of my indexes loading? Okay, there we go. Now let me create an index. Okay. Nothing. Is the Firestore library out of date? Should I update it? Firebase admin. What is it? C#. What was the thing called? NuGet, that's what it is. What are we on now? Latest version. What is the latest version? 2.3. I mean, nah, it's not worth it. Let's just figure out what the index needs to be manually. Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm glad you like Meme Game 1. Meme Game 2, esports anti-cheat mod. I think it made me hang out with MMO game, but I don't know if you should. Use Unity networking. It now has built-in networking. Okay. I have to remember how goddamn indexes work. So, it combines... it combines indexes. So you've got day published, date published. That's for sorting. Month published, date published. Is experimental, date published. None plays, date published. Date published, none plays. Month published non-plays. Oh, don't tell me I have to add loads of indexes. No. That's so annoying. And I can't even open the index. Oh, maybe it's because it has a thing at the end. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to read all about indexes again. Firestore indexes. Let's see how they work. Manage indexes. Where's the thing about combining indexes? Combine Firestore indexes. I want to learn about Firestore indexes again. I have to just do it every time. It's like a one-time thing. Oh, what if I just add an array contains? Can I add multiple? Because here we have 2 date published, number date published. Okay, so it's not on user data. Published by user ID. Get some sleep, yo. It was nice having you. I enjoyed the TikTok. Bye bye. Good night. Night night. Oh, I don't know what to do with these indexes. Okay, so what does Firestore say we need? Firestore says we need hashtags, experimental features, and date published. Why don't I just add hashtags to every single one I've got? Published by user, no, except for that one. Does this support? Oh. Array index firestore.indexes.json. How do you do that? Mode. Array config. Contains. Okay. The array config determines A. Alright, how do we combine indexes? I remember there was something here about it. So I don't want to be inefficient with my indexes. I do have a Discord. I'll give you the link. Where is the link? It's in my link tree. Check out my link tree. Discord. Here you go. It would be lovely to have you. Okay, let's read here. Cloud Firestore uses composite indexes to support compound queries not already supported by single field indexes. For example, you need a composite index for the following queries. So if you're filtering by where country equals USA and sorting by population. Okay, if you're filtering by this, sorting, or filtering by this greater than something. Because where and sort are basically the same thing. Sorry, greater than or less than and sort are the same thing. In uses the same index. Okay, yeah. Rethan's bedroom. I don't know, that's what people normally call their things, you know? Why am I so... rotate the camera a little bit. Oh. Okay. Thank you. It's got lots of lights and shit. Okay, so these require composite indexes. Since the query uses equals or in, the country field use an ascending or descending index mode for this field. By default, inequality clauses apply an ascending sort order based on the field in the inequality clause. Okay. To run the same queries but with a descending sort order, you need additional composite index in the descending direction for population. So we need... So this one we just need an index for cities. Oh. Up index for country. And an index for population. The index for country population. Okay. So this is... So it supports order by... Oh, it's because of the greater. So they're all descending. But these two are greater than, so we need both. Okay. You can create a composite index to combine an array contains query with additional clauses. So array contains on tags, and then ascending or descending on capital. And that is for cities. Oh wait. Tags. Where's tags? I guess it means regions. That's a bit of a bug. Check my Discord. Ugh. Open this on stream. You know what? I'm gonna open it in a different window. Incognito. Oh. Fine, I'll open it on stream. Yeah, have it your way. You happy? You happy? I got fucking stick bugged. God damn it. Whoa. What is all this? Whoa. Very interesting. Demonstrate an index with a collection group. So imagine you had landmarks sub. Okay. Wait, let me understand this. May the one and only Ethan accept my Discord friend request. Alright, fine. I'll accept your friend request. I'm not doing this again. It's just because you were my first ever donation. Oh, where did Discord go? It takes so long to open. Right, let me understand this. Here's Discord. Did it accept? Yeah, that's what you get for being my first ever donation. No one else is getting an accept, a follow. So cityref.doc San Francisco. Using the following single field index with collection scope, you can query a single city's landmarks collection based on the category field. Yeah. Now imagine you're interested in querying landmarks across all cities. To run this query on a collection group consisting of landmarks collection, must enable a single field with collection group scope. With this index enabled, you can query the landmarks collection group. Wait, in the end, did I make it like a whole reusable thing? The browse levels page. No, I didn't. I just copied and pasted it. Okay, never mind. With this index enabled, you can query the landmarks collection group. To run a collection group. Okay. Your project's configured indexes as well as the structure of the document. Blah blah blah. What about the combining them? Index merging. Results in 12. Okay. Although using an index query does not necessarily require one index per query. For queries with multiple equality clauses and optionally order by clause, Cloud Files can reuse existing indexes. Cloud Files Store can merge the indexes with simple equality filters to build the composite index needed for larger equality queries. So I work with array contains. You can reduce indexing costs by identifying situations where you can take advantage of index merging. For example, imagine a restaurants collection for a restaurant rating app. Okay, so you have the name, category, city, editor pick. Imagine this app uses queries like the one below. Notice that the app uses combinations of equality clauses while always sorting by ascending star rating. Okay. Okay, I see. So we can combine the equality clauses. We could create an index for each query, but a better solution is just... Okay. So how is it merging it? So the sort order, I think you have to have a separate one for each one, which is that what I have right now? So let's see what I've got. So date published, date published, date published, date published, date published, date published. What are the sort ordering options that we give? Oh, date, popularity, which is non-plays, rating, and clear rate. Day published. I wish this supported comments. Is experimental features enabled? And dates published. Non-plays date published. Why is date published in all of them? I don't get it. Date published. This isn't used for date published. Optimize Firestore indexes online. Hello, Nico. What's up? Do you know anything about Firestore indexes? How to optimize Firestore indexes. How? Dun, 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 dun. I think my current indexes might be a bit inefficient, I'm not gonna lie. I've got a lot of indexes. I'm doing just fine, thank you. Have I seen you on stream before, Nico? I'm kind of trying to figure out how indexes work. I wish I could have comments. Comments. What if I just put comments here? JSON. Can I do JSON C? What if I do Firebase deploy? Will it work with a JSON C? Nope, doesn't exist. Okay, what if I do that? Comments. My comments. Like that. Will that work? Did it work? It looks like it did. Okay, so I can have my own comments. Good morning, Plushy Mold. Again. Oh shit, it is. It's 4 in the morning. Damn. 3:04. Is that Japanese shit? Oh my god. Why didn't I just leave comments? God damn it. The number of indexes by taking advantage of Cloud Firestore's ability to merge indexes. So this is all for the where equals. How does Cloud Firestore merge indexes? In an index merge, Firestore in data store mode. I don't care about the algorithm. POV, Rethan's parents go outside. Rethan, sorry mother Clara, now I'm making the bank. Indeed. But psych, I don't live with my parents. Okay, so if you want to use index mode query, you need 3 composite indexes. Reading from... Oh, I don't care about how fast it is. I have a lot of indexes, man. Day published, clear rate, date. That's 18 times the amount. Can I just temporarily disable them? No, I have to delete them. Okay, let me look at my queries that I can possibly have. The order by can be on date published. Oh. Alright, Nico. See ya. I'm not a failure anymore, mother. I think the reason we have so many date published indexes is because of the secondary. Do we need to do this secondary ordering? What does Firestore do if sorting by a field with duplicate values across documents? Firestore order by duplicate field. Firestore page by field with same value across documents. Here, pagination with a field value that goes multiple times says. Oh. Start after? Do I have start after? Start after. Otherwise, it turns a new query that starts. Oh, so it starts with page cursor, and then it uses the last stock date. I wonder if we need that, to be honest. You know? I really wonder if we need that. Maybe I should test it. Let me write it down. Do we really need to sort by date published as a secondary field for everything? I mean, I think pagination might still. If we use the page token instead of a value to page after, is that what this is saying? Instead of start after, you could pass the doc ID. that is used. Ooh. To define the query cursor. The values, no. So there's the values. Oh. Okay, so we'd need to send the whole snapshot to the client and then back to the server. That's what we're doing. Can we create a snapshot from documents?
Me, I'm so sorry.
Oh.
My dog ate my homework. Computer scientist, your dog ate your coding. Vape Nation. Me, it took him a couple bites.
Thank you, Plushy Mold. Appreciate it. Plushy Mold donated £1. IL2 CPU decompiler. Oh, interesting. Yeah, there's a mono decompiler that works pretty well. So take a snapshot of San Francisco document in your data set of cities populations. Then use that as a document snapshot as a start point for your population query cursor. As defined. All the cities with a population larger. Doc snap. Couple bytes. Got him. Experimental branch. Stubs I haven't implemented the okay, fair enough. That means people can hack my game. I hope it isn't too successful, to be honest. So, okay. I like this. Pass Firestore document snapshot to client. Snapshot. Serialize Firestore document snapshot. Let's see what this has. Right. So where snapshot? This is a query snapshot. Okay. Dot. Ooh. Cursor page token. Oh, I wish it had a. That's a bit annoying. Firestore pagination when fields have same value.
I'm Todd Kerpelman, and this is a 5-pound gummy bear. Now, I'm going
Add a simple query to a cursor. Let's see what he says.
Now, I'm going to eat this entire confectionery to make a point. You see, this giant gummy bear is a lot like your data. You might have a lot of it, but chances are your users only need a small portion of it to satisfy their needs. And by giving them more data than they actually need, you could create problems, either for yourself or for them. But I can tell you're not convinced yet, so let's keep going.
Hey, jam shop, got it. If the bot works, yeah.
So let's dive into pagination,
Nice,
or if
it
you're
worked.
into technical jargon, how to split your database result into lots of little chunks so that you don't fetch all of your data at once. Now, if you've been following along with our previous episodes, you probably have a good idea of why it's important to paginate your data. I mean, my restaurant review app might have
The trip is
50,000
cool.
restaurants
I
all
like the
located in
t-shirt
Tokyo,
the best.
but if my user is doing a search for the best tempura in town, I probably don't want to say overage charges may apply, and it's going to be costly to you, the database developer. Remember that you get charged per document read, so if you send over 50,000 restaurants and it turns out your user never scans past the first 20, well, hey, guess what? You're still getting charged for those other 49,980 database reads. So a much better solution here would be to send your user the first, say, 20 restaurants, then send over another 20 when they indicate they need more, either when they explicitly click a next page button, or when you've noticed that they've scrolled down to the bottom of their current results for one of those like infinitely scrolling table dealies. So let's look at how we might do this in Cloud Firestore. Now, I think the one important conceptual thing to understand when it comes to pagination is that you're not saying to Cloud Firestore, hey, remember that query I asked for earlier? Well, now send me the next 20 results. Instead, it's really more like you're creating a bunch of different and essentially unrelated queries, but each one of them just so happens to pick up exactly where the previous query left off. Now, luckily, the Firestore libraries have several methods in them that makes it easy to create these unrelated but basically sequential queries, so let's take a look at that now. Suppose my user is searching for the best tempura restaurants in Tokyo. Well, I'll probably start with a query that looks a little like this in the client. We get our tempura restaurants in Tokyo and sort by rating. Now, this query will probably fetch over 1,000 documents. So let's tackle the easy part first of limiting our initial results here. This is essentially done by adding on a limit to your query, something like this. And there you go. Just like that, I'm already saving tons of data by only loading up 20 documents for that first query. But now what happens when my user decides they want to see the next 20 restaurants? Now, as I said earlier, I can't tell Cloud
Oh, that's
Firestore, okay,
interesting.
now give me the next 20 records from this exact query.
I
At
like
least
watching
not
it,
using the
though.
client libraries. So what we're going to need to do instead is basically build a new query. It's going to look almost exactly like the previous query where we're fetching tempura restaurants in Tokyo sorted by rating, but we're going to ask Cloud Firestore to start at exactly the right place so that we happen to fetch the next 20 records in our query. So we can start by generating a new query from scratch like so, but then add a start after method. Now with this start after method, I can pass in an array of values to use where if they match up with the fields in my query in the right order, Cloud Firestore will grab the next document from the appropriate spot in the index. Now this call pass in an array of values to use where if they match up with the fields in my query in the right order, Cloud Firestore will grab the next document from the appropriate spot in the index. Now this call would work for fetching the next 20 documents in my query, but there are two ways I can make this a whole lot easier to implement. For starters, regenerating a query from scratch like this, it can be kind of a pain, particularly if it's a user-generated query and you're like relying on some UI elements that are no longer on screen. And having to remember all that information to regenerate a query from scratch every time is kind of a hassle. So instead, you can just take your existing query and simply add on a start after method. This will generate a copy of your original query with the new start after values, and then you can assign that to a new variable or simply overwrite your existing query. Start after value, add on a start after is kind of a hassle. So instead, you can just take your existing query and simply add on a start after method. This will generate a copy of your original query with the new start after values, and then you can assign that to a new variable or simply overwrite your existing query. And yes, this works even if your old query already had an existing start after parameter. So now all I have to do is keep track of my current query in a property or field, then call start after to fetch new batches, and I am on my way to easier pagination. Okay, now as for the second improvement, see this array of values? It's a little tedious to have to track this for every different query I'm making. It's also a little error prone. Like if I were to get the elements in this array wrong, the SDK would throw a fatal error on me or just give me some very weird results. But there's a bigger problem, which is that if I've got 1,000 tempura restaurants in Tokyo, it's very likely that a whole bunch of them are going to have an average rating of 4.9. So asking to search for the document right after Tokyo tempura 4.9 might skip over a bunch of 4.9 rated restaurants that just weren't included in that first batch. So instead, what the Firestore library lets you do is pass in an existing document as the start after parameter instead. Now, Cloud Firestore will analyze that document and figure out exactly what values it should be searching for. And it's smart enough that if it sees multiple documents with the exact same values, it will start with the one with the document ID that's right after the document you specified. Values it should be searching for. And it's smart enough that if it sees multiple documents with the exact same values, it will start with the one with the document ID that's right after the document you specified. So you don't need to worry about accidentally skipping documents. And as you can see, the nice thing here is that I no longer need to know anything about the exact query I'm running. If my user is searching for the top tempura restaurant in Tokyo or the cheapest Italian restaurants in Boston, I can use this exact same line of code and everything just works. So the idea here is I can run my query, get back the next batch of data that I need, then use the last document from that previous batch of data to fetch the next batch, and so on and so forth. And so I can use that technique to populate my next screen of values or add on more rows to my table view and my infinite scrolling table or what have you. So pagination is great, right? But it's not perfect. When you run separate fetches like this, there is some opportunity for weirdness. Specifically, if you have a collection where documents are constantly going to be moving around in your index or you've got
Moving around in your index. They're not going to be... Are they going to be moving around a bit?
data being inserted and deleted willy-nilly, you could end up with some odd edge cases. Some documents might not be retrieved at all if they were to move from like...
Okay, if the documents are moving, but they're probably... Oh. So we can pass in a document to start after. Might have to reinstantiate that document. But if there are loads of levels being added, while the user is scrolling through, the results are gonna be incorrect. But to be honest, does it matter? Like, who cares if they're slightly inaccurate? We save on a bunch of index space. We have 18 goddamn indexes, for fuck's sake. I don't wanna be homeless.
Like one potential odd moving around in your index, or you've got data being inserted and deleted willy-nilly, you could end up with some odd edge cases. Some documents might not be retrieved at all if they were to move from like one potential batch to like a previous one in between your fetches. And other documents might be retrieved twice if they happen to move the other way. In practice, most of this weirdness tends not to be too big of a deal, but of course it depends on your app and just how much you expect your data to be moving around.
So the data doesn't move around.
Also, pagination can be a little tricky if you're trying to use it while also updating your data in real time. Let's go back to our infinitely scrolling table here
It's just new documents get added.
and think about how we could use it alongside our real-time data listeners. If we're trying to be responsible app developers, we might want to deactivate our old listeners and only keep one listener active for the most recent batch of data. That's awfully nice and responsible of us, but what's going to happen is that these latest results will update in real time and none of the earlier ones will. And that could be a weird experience if your user starts scrolling back up to earlier data and sees data that's sort of stale or no longer updating in real time. Although in something like a chat app, some variation of this might work just fine because, old chat messages, they tend not to change. So fetching only the most recent batch in real time might be the exact right thing to do. Another option, we could keep adding new listeners for every new batch instead of replacing the old one. This means that if our table has 120 rows, we would basically have 6 listeners set up, each one responsible for a batch of 20 documents. That's nice in that it'll generally keep all your documents up to date, but you're going to have to keep track of all these listeners and make sure you're updating the right set of data when they fire. And unfortunately, inserts and deletes are going to be painful here, right? Like if a new document is inserted at like slot 5, well, that means not only is this first batch of results different, but the start value for the second query has changed. So you're going to need to change that, which changes the start value for the next query, and so on and so forth all the way down. And those extra listeners probably means a little bit more overhead for your app. Now, a third option would be to actually not paginate at all, but just rerun the original query to start from the beginning and just keep increasing the limit so you get more and more results every time. This will work, and it's probably the easiest solution that accurately handles inserts, deletes, and documents moving around in your collection, but it also means that every time you request a new batch of data, you're basically re-requesting all the old data you retrieved previously, and you get charged for all those reads, which kind of defeats the whole purpose for adding pagination in the first place. Still, this isn't a terrible option if you want to keep the real timiness and don't think you're going to go past, say, 3 or 4 pages. Now, all these options have pros and cons, and they do tend to make your code more complicated. So for that reason, I often prefer going with a plain old one-time get call when you start paginating your data in an infinite table like this, but obviously that depends on how real-timey your users expect your app to be. Like in my restaurant review app, for instance, I actually think people would be somewhat weirded out if they saw restaurant results flipping around in real time, so I think I'm better off using some simple one-time fetch calls and not using real-time fetch. On the other hand, if I had like a stock market trading app, then it might be worth the trouble adding in some real-time listeners while still paginating my data. But again, think about your user experience and what they would realistically expect. Okay, so now that this is all clear, let me reveal one tiny little white lie I might have told you earlier. Turns out that with the server libraries, you can kind of say, hey, give me rows 41 to 60 of a specific query. It's done by using this offset method to whatever query you're building. And while this does work in theory, it's generally not a great option because it turns out that when you call this offset method in the server libraries, you still get billed for all those reads that you're offsetting. So this call here will charge me for 60 reads. So you're generally better off using the start at or start after methods if at all possible. Those will only get billed for the actual reads you perform and none of the ones you skipped. So there you go, folks. I'm hoping this was enough of a head start for you to start breaking up your data when you expect to get a lot of it. Not only will it save you database charges, but your users will thank you too. Whew. This episode made me a little hungry. I think it's time for a snack, don't you? Yeah. Okay, now as for the second improvement, see this array of values? It's a little tedious to have to track this for every likely that a whole bunch of them are going to have an average rating of 4.9. So asking to search for the document right after Tokyo Tempura 4.9 document as the start after parameter instead. Now Cloud Firestore will analyze if I were to get the elements with the new start after elements that are no longer on screen. Yes, this works even, and I am on my way. It's very likely existing document as the start after parameter instead.
Okay, so I think it's okay to risk showing I think it's okay to risk showing slightly inaccurate data while scrolling. Yes, there will be loads of new levels always being published, and that will mess up the scrolling, especially when sorting by if we are sorting date published newest to oldest, old levels never change their date published, only new ones do. So if we start after an existing level doc, all the next docs will never will never change their value. So the sorting will be fine. It's just the num, plays, rating, and clear rate that can change while scrolling. But those are fine, to be honest, because wait, when you sort by num plays, is it most to least number played? Popularity? I think it is. No, it's least to most. Order by. Ascending. Lowest to highest clear rate. Popularity. Number plays. Highest to lowest. Okay. Because num plays popularity is highest to lowest. The high ones aren't likely to change very much, only the low ones. For rating, okay, well, rating well, it's quite sporadic because ratings can instantly go from 5 to 0 stars. Or vice versa, because it is an average. But to be honest, that's fine too. Doesn't matter if it's not perfectly accurate. Rating isn't that important of a sort order. Then there's clear rate, which has the same issue as rating since it's an average, but it probably won't change too much. I think it's fine, to be honest. Yeah, right, so okay, let's remove all those BS indexes and redo the queries. To be frank, don't need any of this. What changes have I made? I might get some food quickly. Some M&S porridge. Okay. We don't do any sorting on the client, do we? Order, sort. I don't think we do. Okay, figure out how we're gonna do paging though with bypassing the document. How to paginate using document with only the ID Firestore. Start after document only. Making one more document get, then using the result. Huh. That's an interesting approach. What did Frank say? So wait, if you order on question ID, you need to know at least the value of question ID. Alright, Jam Sharp. See you later. Nice Avenue. Okay, you often want to know the key to disable. That might not be. If you order on question ID, you'll need to know at least the value of question ID of the document to start after. Hello. Goodbye. Making one more document get, then using the result as start after. Okay, sweet. Can we create the document locally? Create. No, I don't think that's a good question. We can just get. To be honest, this is smart. Just get the document again. Using the document ID. So it gets the document. Yeah. Start after, right. Start after. Must not be null. We have to check if it's null. Let's make sure we test the paging of the new system with duplicate values for num plays, etc. Alright, I'm gonna get some food.
I didn't have a way to import the meme file into the game to test out this deserialization process, and at this point I just really couldn't be f***ed. So I ended up buying this file explorer asset from the Unity asset store for $45. Not my finest hour. But look on the bright side, this file explorer worked so well that I actually decided to keep it in the game for good, instead of just using it for testing like I'd originally planned to. So now, players could share levels with each other directly, instead of using the whole online level sharing system, which I'll get to very soon. Rethan, it is I, the fairy of engineering mindset. Just bloody think! Phew. Oh, jeez. Oh, Hold on, I don't actually need perfect accuracy in order to filter by how new the level is. I just need it to be roughly correct. Screw that pesky greater than filter in the query. Wahoo! Do you remember SQL from earlier? Yeah, well, fuck that. We live in a society, we have technology, we have no SQL databases. Instead of using glorified Excel spreadsheets like SQL does, NoSQL typically stores data as JSON documents inside a collection. Much easier to use, much more scalable, and much faster. Perfect for my level builder ecosystem, which could have potentially hundreds of thousands, if not millions of levels that need to be queried in a matter of milliseconds. In this day and age, it's pretty darn stupid to try and host your own server. It's just way too much effort. The more sensible approach would be to use a cloud service like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, or Microsoft Azure. They do all the heavy lifting for you and offer some pretty yummy guarantees that everything will run nice and smoothly, assuming you don't bombard your provisioned resources to shit with gazillions of network requests. So I scoured the web for the best cloud gaming service I could find and narrowed it down to two options: GameSparks by AWS and PlayFab by Microsoft Azure. Now normally I'd have slagged Microsoft the f*** right off, seeing they've caused me so much pain in my life. But when I visited Amazon GameSpark's website, I was mortified. I was morbing. It looked like an absolute graveyard. Just look at this forum post. There have been no SDK updates in ages. There is no support. This forum is dead, and there has been no communication from GameSparks pretty much since Amazon acquired them. So what I did next might come as a shock to many. I need more inspiration.
Rethan, my son, you're in need of some inspiration.
Yes, God. Help me. Show me the way.
My son, don't quit now. Never give up on your dream. Pain is temporary. Quitting lasts forever. For to be free is not merely the fitness strap paces test is a multi-stage aerobic. You can literally just make him a shield.
Oh, gee, thanks, God. That's a great idea.
I fucking love you IDs. I want to fucking easily generate short and universally unique identifiers without a central registry.
Don't worry if you suck at leak code. At least you're not this guy. Me explaining quicksort algorithm to my Tinder date. She does not want it. 008 Mission Possible Programmer Edition. Dun 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 dun. I'm back. I got myself some M&S porridge. Ready meal porridge. Absolutely delicious. Can't see it. Doesn't matter, I'm not sponsored yet. Alright. Okay. I don't get why it just doesn't do this by default. That's a query. Is not enough unless your query is only filtered or ordered.
Sometimes you want to support infinite scrolling and pagination for other widgets.
Alright, I think I'll do this. So start after just takes... Well, we're doing start after. Okay, we're doing start after. Right, time to refactor everything. This is a big task. Hello, Amir or something. Giga Chad. Absolute Peta Chad. What's up, Zeta Chad? I'm about to refactor the entire browse levels page because I realized it's just, you know, but this. There are lots of levels that are also, and you're also filtering where the day published is in. Well. Right, okay. Let's modify the query level res to the pagination in cursor info. It shouldn't be a page cursor. It should now be just the document ID. Okay, when we get the snapshot level docs 0 dot serial dot L is a document snapshot.
She literally was sitting outside the door.
Hello, Shirley. What is it? What is this? Shirley's, are you okay? Oh!
Oh! I think she heard you.
What?
Like walking to the kitchen.
Shirley's, are you okay? What's wrong with you? Say hello. Oh, 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 okay, okay.
Come on, baby. You got to see Uncle Ethan. He doesn't have any food.
Okay. L dot nothing to serialize it. It'd be nice if we could just and start after takes a document snapshot. Okay. What does document snapshot have? Serialize Firestore document snapshot. immutable. Okay. Spilt porridge everywhere. What's the constructor? Serialize. What was the document reference? Alright, fuck it, we'll just get it by the ID. It's not a big deal, it's just one extra call. It's better than having like 18 different indexes to keep track of one thing. So, in the query level res. No, that's the wrong place. Query level res. Don't know why I'm eating porridge now. It's actually 1 in the morning. Okay, we're no longer going to use this. Instead, we're going to use public string last doc ID. Then don't need these anymore. This is optional. Nullable string C#. I don't like C#. C#'s approach. Can be null. Level docs, okay. So string last level doc ID starts off as null. If the level doc's greater than this doc doc. Where do you even use this? Oh, here. Publish level ID, because that's just the document ID. Although, what if it changes? It'll never change, but still. Okay. Page cursor. Okay. If the lost account is greater than query res dot last dot ID. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we need to do. Last doc ID equals last level doc ID. Nice. Query levels level item. Okay. Add pagination. Where is this used? We might need to make this async. Wait. Public static async to make it async. And then if pagination cursor info dot last doc ID not equal to null. Fuck just happened. Then we want to await and then get do I have a helpers for Firestore? Yeah, I do. Get user. No, we want get level. But get level. Oh, it's literally this simple. we should make Firestore static. Private static. Firestore. Firestore equals new Firestore. Just for the old conventions. So here we do pagination.last.docid .last.doc, and then query equals query.start after last doc. And then at the end, return query. That should work. We don't need any of this. Hey Nox, what's up? Coding cam go brrrr, brrrr. I love me some coding. Coding, code. Coding with my man Clippy over here, keeping me company. My dude. So we add the pagination to the query. I think. It's literally this simple. Why is it redlining? Async task. Task. Of course. And then we need to await it. Okay, we are awaiting it. So yeah. And yeah, I'll just comment that out for now. And yeah, we just add the pagination and we return the last doc ID. We need to reflect the client side type because we have altered it. Where is it? Query levels res. And we need to alter this object because no longer use it like the same way we do. And now I'm sure browse levels page will have broken. Currently showing query levels res dot pagination cursor info dot last doc ID. Yeah, that's, and then last doc ID, and that's all we need. Page cursor. Let's just do that. Pagination.last doc ID. So we don't have any of that. Okay. Was it that easy? Really? What's our page size? Page. Browse or levels. Page size. Oh, is that just gonna be on the server? Why is there an error? Ugh, what is that? Page size 5. Make it 2. To do. Make it normal. Like 20. before release. Okay. Let's start up the server. First we gotta close the client, then we can start up the server. I don't know what I just said there, it makes absolutely no sense. What else did we not need? Why is this open? And more importantly, order. Add order by to field to query. Okay, we need to change this because we don't need this, and we don't need this, and we don't need this. Okay, now let's redo that. Let's restart. Oh no, that's not gonna work. That's just not gonna work because we have to close the terminal window. Stupid idiot. Don't know why they make us do that, but they just do. It's just a fact of life, really. It's a sad, sad fact of reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. Choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up now. Ba-da-dum, ba-dum. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you won't. Nah. You only got one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you won't. Never let it go. You've only got one shot. Check it. Someone I'm a doom, you assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get through to you? I'm superhuman. Innovative. And I mean, would rather say anything you say ricocheting off of me and good to you. Never stating more than ever demonstrating. Hey. Not set to an instant of the object. I bet it's that. And then that in it fam. In it brother love. Ting a ling. Sabalaba. Dingala dong. Level builder. Browse. It's browse. Right, it was that, wasn't it? Weren't it? Okay. Again. Are there only 6? I believe there might be 1, 2. Oh no, if we do all time. The most of all time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It just works. Popularity. Ew. What precisely is the issue? Oh, very interesting, darling. I believe we should redo all of our queries such that, dear. Okay, let's refactor all these goddamn indexes. So let me just take up the documentation for index merging, Firestore index merging. Okay. So we need for date published, what are the options? Then num plays. Ambasing. What's up, Mongoose? What is ambasing? You're being based. I like it. I am too. Based with my code. Rating, and then is there clear rate somewhere? Clear rate. Okay. So I believe we only need, okay, we're sorting by clear rate and day published. Sup? How's life, man? What are you up to at the moment? Tell me about yourself. Let's have a little chat. Day published. We don't need this anymore. So we need index for clear rate. Okay, actually, okay, I can delete basically the date published from all these. And then what does that mean? I mean, so we still need how many are there? 15 of 26. There are 20. Does indexing more fields use up more storage, Firestore? I think we might still need the same number of indexes, no? Because we need day publish clear rate. Can we not get away with day published clear rate, then month published rating? Because the day published clear rate. Well, what we can get away with is doing, I guess, the array contains. So we need, for every sort order, we need, well, there's going to be 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5. Oh, actually 4. Okay, let me write this. I think for every sort order, we need an index for the number of filter options we provide, which now is 4. Server query levels. A lazy man, can you get a shout out? Get a shout out if you subscribe or donate or whatever. If you donate, you get a special place in the code comments. A lazy man donated 5 quid. Be part of history. So in query levels, get page cursor. What? We're not using this anymore. I can go. We're not using the... So using days and months, not years, which I don't think we have. Year, month. Okay, yeah, we're not using years. Yes, thank you for telling me. And that's you. It's just me and you, lazy man. We need an index for the number of filter options we provide, which is now 4. So the 4 are day published, month published. Day published, month published. Is experimental, and that hashtag. That's still 16 indexes. That's a lot. So maybe then it's good. Maybe we should do it by date published. That's like the same number of indexes we... Thank you, I appreciate that. You like my videos. It's like the same number of indexes we'd have anyway, lol. So I guess the only reason not to have the secondary order by is if having an extra field in the index significantly changes how much it costs. A lazy man, how did you find me? Where did you watch my TikToks? Let's see how my TikTok is doing actually. Got a lot of views. 9k views in a few hours.
In 1993, 2 genius programmers wrote incredible code for the most iconic video game to date. That game? Doom by id Software. Then, in 1997, they released the code to the public and people went wild. They started porting the game to the most ridiculous places, like iPods, treadmills.
Yeah man, Unity on Mac works great. It's great. My Mac Unity vid. Oh, nice. Don't know anyone else who found my YouTube through that. Okay, so maybe we could just undo absolutely everything I just did now. How does the number of fields indexed affect cost firestore? It's 2 in the morning, but I don't care. Nice. Where are you around now? Where are you based? What country? Yeah, maybe I should just undo all the changes. Let me... I think we just need to add a new array contains index for every sort order. Is that the case? What if we just combine it? Austria, originally Indian, interesting. Wow, that's an interesting combo. What languages do you speak? Date published, date published, date published, num plays. Why are we... Oh, num plays is for the secondary. Why can't we just combine num plays with another one of these? Huh? Hindi, Bengali, German, both. Wow, that's a lot of languages. Jeez, you must be smart. What do? Are you in school? Or you got a job? So let's make us do num plays and day published. Really? No. Oh, because that's the secondary field. So when we're all sorting by num plays. Oh, and this is if we're just sorting by num plays with no. Okay. I'm starting to. Matter my comment. For regular sort by 13 trying to get into engineering school in Austria. Nice. Good luck. Do computer science, computer engineering. It's very useful. It's the most useful. What do you study in school? Oh, my light. Okay. Still superset indexes. Traditional Austrian schools focus on sports more than grades, but yeah, this shows an exception. Really? Austrian schools focus on sports more than grades? That's really interesting. That's really weird. I don't get the logic behind that. Why is sports so important? It makes no sense. It's all about how much you know, how smart you are. That actually has an impact on the world, not how good you are at sports. We're not cavemen. We have brains now. We know how to think. We're living in this age of, you know, in the future. I want to know why I need both. I need both this and this, because this contains both of these. Num plays and dates published. Wait a sec. Wait, have I got duplicate? Num plays, date published. No, don't tell me. Oh, this has got a third one. Yeah, I find this incredibly stupid. I'm gonna comment this out. Okay, whatever. I'll put that there for now. So if I don't have this, and I combine this, you love going outside all the time, but I stay home working on my website, talking to friends on Discord. Good. You're going to be rich one day, and they're going to regret not doing what you do. I see so many people, now that I've graduated, so many people who all they did was sports in school, and now they're just like desperate and struggling to find like some meaning and passion in their lives. They just get some generic job that they have no passion or interest in, because they've never had time to develop their own passion, and it's quite sad. They peaked at school, spent all their time doing sports, socializing, but honestly, learn programming, work on your website, create stuff, be creative. Doesn't even need to be programming. Music, video, programming, anything. Hello, Plushy Mold. I'm telling a lazy man why it's good to not just be addicted to sports and only do sports in school, and actually do like useful stuff. Otherwise, when you graduate, you'll be so lost. Sports is only good because it's good for you and healthy. So you should do some sports, but not make it your life. I find this really annoying. It's not smart enough. It's just not smart enough. Bye. So if I delete these, none plays. If I don't have day published and month published, is it going to complain? Firebase deploy. Oh, what did I just delete? Is it experimental? Yeah, okay. And then I have this. So this one index yes. Oh, what's all this? Firebase, yeah, Firebase is great. There are some few annoying things about it, but it is much simpler and much faster. Yeah, AWS is the big daddy, much more low level. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna undo all these changes here. Except for this. Stash. No. How do you stash stage changes? Git stash staged changes. Thank you, appreciate it. Will leave your staged changes in your working directory. Okay. What was that sound? Do I have an Indian origin or something else? No, I'm Middle Eastern. I'm half Palestinian, half Egyptian. What is that? Oh, it's this. Stupid website. Oh, I can stash changes to individual files. Query levels model. Okay, let's see if this works first, because if this doesn't work, then obviously none of it will work. So, let's delete that, close it. Browse. Cannot connect the host. Oh no. It's because the host hasn't started up yet. Oh no. Come on, connect to the goddamn destination host already. Host lock lease. Any other questions? Acquired by instance 0000. There we go. Okay, now it's up and running. Browse publish levels. Oh, succeeded. There will be no sucking seed. Bottle of water. Indeed. Bottle of water. So these experimental features with, and then num plays. Sort by popularity. That is really just not right. I don't understand how indexes work. But it's saying... Yeah, man. I'm in the code zone. This is what being in the code zone is. Day published ascending is experiment features ascending. So here I have an index that literally contains is experiments features ascending, and it contains day published ascending, and num plays descending. But because they're extra fields, like month published, it has a fit. That is just stupid. I should make a post on Stack Overflow. I haven't done this in a while, but I want to know why. And then I might call it a day, or just come up with a plan. Firestore. Why can't Firestore use indexes with more fields than the query contains? Right, let's copy the index we have. I have created an index that composite index for these fields. Code. Oh no, not code snippet. How do I just wrap it in code? Like that. But for some reason, I haven't made the report system. I'm gonna do that. That's on my list. Won't let me query that only has month published ascending is experimental features ascending num plays descending dates published descending. First, also agree that won't let me do agree that only has a subset of these fields, e.g. if I do a query with then with is experiment equals true. Same what? Wait, what did I just say? You're making a report system. and sort by I was saying about the it was a chat delay. The guy said lazy manny, mean you enjoy. Oh, is that much chat delay? Jeez. Oh yeah. Yeah, no, I do love this. It's always nice to see someone doing something they're passionate about. Okay. If I do a query, we just sort by num plays. Descending. Firestore won't use the composite query as described above, but instead link me to generate a new. Danny notices me on someday. Yeah, hopefully one day. I mean, he's pretty much dead now. He doesn't make videos anymore. I was saying about the guy. Yeah, okay. But instead link me to generate a new index, which is this. Okay. Why is that? I'm not too sure how. On the inner workings of indexes, but to me it seems like subset queries should be able to use the index of their superset, should use the data of their superset indexes. And sort by num plays descending first. Hashtag Firebase. Firestore. Google Cloud Firestore. Someday, yes. I believe in myself. Thanks for believing in me. I don't use the composite queries. Alright. That's a good question. Some of my past questions have not been well received. I am in danger. Post. Right, okay. So, I'm gonna assume that what I'm trying to do is not possible. And so, I might just restore. Oh, I'm gonna edit this question as well. I want to add an extra thing. Also, another quick related question. How does having more fields in an index affect storage used by that index? Is it linear or so the power of n for every new field added? Okay. So yeah, I might just call it a day here. See what someone says to my Stack Overflow question. I think mode array config contains array contains firestore indexes JSON config. Array one object containing an indexes array and an optional. Oh, array config doesn't need an order. Array config if we supply array config to index config file, we shouldn't have the order field too. Alright fellas, it's been real, it's been nice talking to you. Hope to see you guys again. A Lazy Man and Plushy Mold. Thanks Plushy Mold for being my first ever donation. It's crazy that I made some money from doing all this.
Ow.
CS Practice Live. Thanks for following. I was just about to go, but appreciate the follow. And probably will be streaming tomorrow. If you haven't already, check out my my Rethan behind the scenes channel, because that's where I show how I create my TikToks and videos. I'm just editing. It's much less talking. Here, this one, Rethan behind the scenes. I'll just link that here for y'all. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your night and tomorrow. Adios.